in 1716, there were lots of theories, everybody had one, about what caused scurvy. And so a group of scientists got together and collected 6 pairs of sailors, and gave them, randomly choosing which ones would get which medicine, gave them. The first set got vinegar, the second set got vitriol, which was a mixture of alcohol and sulfuric acid. The third set got 2 oranges and a lemon each day. The fourth set got, hold on, nutmeg, because that was considered a cure. The next set got cider, and the last set got seawater. After 6 days, only 1 pair, randomly selected, were well. All the other trials, the people had gone ill. And it was the 2 oranges and a lemon. Thus, by randomly selecting people and giving them a cure, different one each, we find out what is the proper medicine. This is how science works. Randomly select your people, give them one thing, 1 trial each. And then in 1903, vitamin C was finally identified.